Hello you guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to get dual apps on iPhone iOS 17 or make dual apps on iPhone. So without any further ado, so the first thing I want you to do is open your Safari application on your iPhone. After you open Safari, I want you to search for Instagram on the search bar. After you search for Instagram, then you'll be redirected to this page. What I want you to do is click on the middle share button on the bottom taskbar. So after that, you can click on add to home screen. So you can write whatever name you want to write to save it on your home screen. I want to write Insta56. So after that, you can click on add. And Instagram will be added on your home screen like this, named Insta56, and you can open your Instagram application from this dual app as well. As you can see, my original Instagram app is here, but the one that I created, the dual one, is right here. So I hope this video helps, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave it on the drop box below. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe as well, and I'll see you on the next one.